Hey guys, Scott Robbins with Sugarberry Farms here. Got my farmer's hat on today, and mainly because it's the first one I picked up, and that's kind of how I live my life. I'm out here with the chickens. Want to talk a little bit about this pasture raised, GMO free. A little bit more. I don't know if in depth because I'm not that smart, but what's great about these chickens that are out on grass, they're eating the bugs, and it gives them better flavor. It's not a marketing scheme. We're not, myself and others who raise them, we're not here to, you know, give chickens a different feed and call it organic. We're actually trying to give the chickens a better home, a better life, and then whenever they go to processing, they've had the best life they can be provided. And it really shows in the flavor and the size of the chickens, and you know, just the attitude of them. They seem to be happy, so I guess they're happy. But anyways, going to the processor the 17th, which is a Sunday, and we're going to get them out of the pasture and get them in the processing plant, get them processed and packaged and ready to go. We'll be at the farmers market in Charleston, Arkansas, down at the courthouse lawn, the 23rd. Something else I want to do is I'm going to add on to this video here in a second. I'm going to run over and kind of show you a little bit more of our farm, show you some of our layers and our ducks and my wife's silkies. They're pretty cool, and we've added a little bit this last weekend after the fair. So anyways, I'll be on the other side of the road now. We have our broilers across the road at our neighbor's house that so kindly lets us borrow their property. And now I'm over here with our egg layers, rabbits, miniature horse, fainting goat. I don't know if Dolly will come out and see us or not, but she's pretty cute. But anyways, show you a few things here. Get down here with the ducks. See, I don't think they'll come to me. Oh, there's some right there. I don't know if you can see those or not. Here. Sorry about the shakiness. Out of all the animals we have here on farm, I would say our ducks are probably the funnest and the most entertaining to watch. They are stinking hilarious. Let's run out here and show you the silkies. These are hilarious, dude. We got them in little cages right now. We're building them a couple of tractors. They've been out and about, except these three that I'm going to show you. They've been, they were at the fair, and it looks like we got a couple eggs in there too, but I hear you, bud. But anyways, these guys are fixing to get a big tractor and a coop and, you know, something a little bit nicer. They've only been out here for a day, but we want to keep them on grass, want to keep them moving every day, give them something fresh to eat, because I don't like keeping things up in little cages and, you know, not giving them a good place to eat. That's one of our barnyard mixes. I don't know if you can see him or not, but he's pretty. Anyways, let me show you these. Hey guys. Right here is Johnny and June. They've been named. These others added because who's got them. Oh crap, they're cracking me up. Dolly. Where Dolly? Here's Dolly. She's a little bit tired. She won't cut this. She likes to butt the roosters around and show them who's boss. It's pretty funny. This is our backyard. Kind of see we got them over here, brush pile, and back there in the back we have some frizzles, which we can go see. These dirt frizzles are stinking funny. I'll get out there and come back here in a second. Alright, we're out here with the frizzles and sizzles. We got some babies out here that we're fixing to probably sell, if anyone's interested. But they're a few weeks old. I'm going to show them to you. That's Henry. He is a sizzle. He might be finding a new home soon. I can't get him to come out, I guess. Come on, guys. See, I put this box on the back so we can get the eggs. They're gonna run. Look at that, look at that. So supposedly they have a gene that makes their feathers grow backwards, or up, I guess. They're a lot of fun. Those babies right there, they're ready to go to a new home. We don't want to get too many, so that way they have a better life. They're in this little tractor that we built. Got to paint it still. But it protects them and keeps them safe. Anyways, like I said, this is just our part of the property, and we are Sugarberry Farms. Find us on Facebook, here on, actually on YouTube. Not sure how to find us on there yet because I don't think I have really many followers. Actually, no followers, but hey, whatever. I'm gonna start Instagram soon. Whenever I do that, I'll post that. But anyways, I'm gonna sign out and get off the camera before too many people think I'm crazy, which I think they already know. See ya.